sing in the spirit now. Ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sing, ah, yeah, yeah, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh. Come on, lift that sound, lift that sound, lift that sound. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We send the healing power of God to everybody. Sing it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's the sound of the Spirit. It's the sound of the Spirit. It's the sound of the Spirit. Sing Come on, this is intercession. This is intercession. Sing Come on. Sing it again, sing it again. Sing You're the miracle worker. You're the miracle worker. Sing it out, sing. Sing Come on, come on. It's the sound of the Spirit. Lift it up, lift it up. Stay right there. We're gonna move on. There's some faith on this. Sing it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, keep singing that, keep singing that. I was in the Spirit, and the Lord took me to a valley of dry bones. And he asked me, son of man, can these dry bones live? Can these dry bones live? Can these dry Can these dry bones live? And he said to me to prophesy to the dry bones, 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 prophesy to the dry bones. Wind blows, sing it out. feel the wind? Can you feel the wind? Can you feel the wind? Can you feel the wind? Speaking over your generation, hey. Speaking over your generation, saying live, singing live. Live, son, live, daughter, live, son, live, daughter. You can't die here, you can't die in this. You gotta live, son, you gotta live, daughter. The wind is here to blow you out of complacency, to blow you out of the cycle. You gotta live, son, you gotta live, daughter.